Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great new year so far. I know I am. I'm doing a ton of fun stuff in the salon and I can't wait for you guys to jump in on this salon journey of 2019 with me. To kick off the new year, I've come up with a little bit of a different way to start doing my hair color videos. I got a really great comment that gave me a ton of constructive criticism, and one of the suggestions that they made was to kind of stop and give a little bit more of the step-by-step so you can really see and understand everything that I'm doing on my clients. So in this video, I'm actually going to be kind of popping back in at you in between the clips of me doing the color, just to give you a couple tips and kind of explaining what I'm doing and why I'm doing it to help you guys really understand and grasp the concepts that I'm trying to show you. So today I've got a really quick video just demonstrating how I like to do a shadow root. We're also going to be toning down some existing blonde balayage, and I think it will be a really easy informational video that you guys can start implementing in your salons today. So the first thing you'll notice on my client is she has a grown out color melt, and the ends where she was previously lifted have turned kind of brassy. They're a little bit harsh, so we are going to start by toning down those ends. We're going to start by toning the blonde. I'm going to use Pulp Riot's Faction 8 line 9-stroke 1, which is their level 9 ash tone. I'm going to mix it with 10 volume in a 1:1 ratio. Even though I'm using this to tone the blonde, I'm going to be applying it on dry hair and with a 10 volume instead of a 6, because I don't mind getting a little bit more lift in there. If it bumps it up just a little bit and really lets the ash tone get in there, that would be great for our starting point. We're going to be taking 1/2-inch sections, starting from the nape and working our way up, and then going into the side sections, 1/2 inch all the way up, just toning where the blonde melt starts and kind of feathering that in to the darker root. Our 9-stroke 1 formula will process for 20 minutes. After the blonde toner is processed for 20 minutes, we're going to just rinse it out of the hair and then start applying our root formula. For the shadow root, we're going to be using 4-stroke 00 with 6 volume and a 1:2 ratio. We're going to be applying the shadow root formula on damp hair and in a 1:2 ratio to make it a demi-permanent, just in case my client wants to go lighter again in the future. I don't want to have to try to pull out a permanent level 4. We're also going to be applying the root shadow formula in 1/2-inch sections, just starting at the part and just kind of working our way through. After it's all been applied and blended down with our color brush, I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just pull it through to make sure there's no harsh lines. Our shadow root formula will also process for 20 minutes. And last but not least, we are going to blow out our color. I always recommend blow drying after you do a color service, just so you can check and make sure that the tones are exactly where the client wants them to be. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's down there on the bottom right hand side of your screen, so make sure you click that. I would love to see you more here. Alright guys, well like I said, this was a pretty quick, simple video, but I know a lot of people are really struggling with shadow roots, so I wanted to show just what I think is the easiest and most effective way to give your client that really deep, lived-in, pretty root. So let me know how you guys like this style of video where I'm kind of just like popping in and giving you little tidbits and tips in between the video clips. If you like this way better, or if you just like me kind of summarizing at the end, just let me know what works best for you. Also, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today, so I will see you next time. Bye!